Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Ubuntu. So today we are going to learn how to install Chrome in Ubuntu. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have to install this file, okay, from our terminal. So you need to paste this one. So it will download the Chrome from this google.com. So resolving this one, it's gonna be adding. So it's downloading the Chrome. Okay, you can see that. Next we have to install this Chrome with this version. Copy this. Now paste this. Now you can see that the Chrome has been installed successfully. We will go and check this one by typing Chrome. Okay, you can see that. Now make Chrome default browser. No, automatically sends. Okay, and you can see that the Chrome is now working properly. So this is how we can install the Chrome successfully in Ubuntu. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.